Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you are tuning in for the first time. And today we're doing a 12-inch blunt little bob number. So I've teamed up with Tinashe to bring this look to you guys. Of course, this is going to be a beginner friendly look. So if you are on the market for a new little short bob number for the warmer weather, this can even carry into the fall and winter seasons. I'm not one of those girls who only specifically wears like different things during different seasons, mainly because I'm a California girl where all of our seasons mesh together anyways. But yeah, if you're interested in this look or even just the install and all of that, I did this sitting right here, never went to the sink and washed anything, bleached anything. This is a glueless adhesive. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing how we got this look, I take that powdery look away. If you're interested in seeing how we got this look, keep on watching.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. We on the right side of passion. We could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on the day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe?
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count, so lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, just wanna get high, just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele. like you. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah.
Okay, pretty ladies, let's go ahead and turn off the crime investigation shows and get down to business. Now, you guys already know I love working with Tinashe. This time they sent me over a cute little bob, and I went ahead and just did my start to finish thing. I did an amazing job, if I do say so myself, and I just love the way it came out. Now, if you want the best results, I highly recommend that you bleach the knots, and then you can even go in and tint the lace, which you guys know tint the lace for me is the last step, and I use powder and cream makeup basically products. But this one is 12 inches in length, and it is of course a bob wig. It says style STW, straight to the width. I don't know what that means, but I have the direct link in the description box. Also inside of my package was a dust bag, and inside we have a comb, little duck, or not duck bill clips, but dolphin clips. This appears to be a burgundy bonnet. Pack of really nice lashes that has their logo on it. Wig caps, and then a purple edge brush. Kind of matches my little vibe I got going on right now. And of course the dust bag is reusable. I would highly recommend using this to store your wig, because sometimes keeping the boxes over time, they take up too much space if you have like a large collection of wigs, or even just you know, by the time they get like beaten up, it's easier and more compactly stored with the dust bags. So it's nice to have both. Now, as I mentioned, this one is 12 inches in length, and I think the 12 inch is the perfect, like, you want it a little longer than Dora Bob. You want it to have that like blunt bob look, but a little bit grown out. Like when I used to get my hair naturally, or my natural hair done, a good like shorter length look would be so good. Like, you know how you get your hair cut, and then like a month or two later it kind of grows out when you got that beautician that has that good like growing hand, and that bob just sits on my shoulder so nice and you can tell it's growing. That's what this one gives, and I love that for me. You guys know I like to cut the excess lace around the sideburns. It just gives a cleaner, easier feel. You guys know the summer is like one of the hottest summers of all time, so I just am not in the mood to be dealing with the lace and it lifting. I don't use actual glue adhesive most times, just because I like to take my wigs off at night, and so it's a personal preference. Let me know what you guys think, and as always, leave me some suggestions on some, you know, tutorials and videos you would like to see on this channel. I'm Ashley. If you are tuning in for the first time, thank you for sticking around and subscribing if you did. If you haven't already, go ahead and do it now. I'll wait. Again, thank you for all your efforts and helps to keep this channel alive. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.